Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat. Check out this old 1970s Ford. I think it's an old Lincoln, but the paint's bleached right here. There's still some here, but we did a spot right here just as a tester. Look how beautiful that came out. Okay, this is oxidized patina, but there's still good paint right there. Now it's gone right here. The reason why I'm doing this demo though is just to show you, if you have an old base coat metallic, because they're so beautiful, you want to clean them, not cut them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another spot. Let's do a spot right here, okay, with the Lukat Fix It. Now when I do this, you don't do it like a wax. You go back and forth, you clean the same spot. What you're doing basically is just removing the buildup, the contamination, and the oxidation, but you don't remove the good paint. So it's not like a cutter. It's not like a regular rubbing compound. It's a cleaner. You can clean it safely. Wherever the paint job is still intact, you can bring it out. So again, I'm doing this video because those of you that remember those old base coats, those beautiful polyurethanes, you guys remember the polyurethanes, the metallics, the old Emrons, the lacquer coats and stuff, you know, they oxidize. There's a cleaner that'll bring it back, and that's what this is right here. It's called Lukat Fix It. Okay, you can get this at lukatdetail.com. Lukat is spelled L-U-K-A-T. Can you see the metallic flakes on that thing? That's something you don't really see on clear coats nowadays. You'll notice most of the colors are not, you don't see the candy coats, you don't see these kinds of colors, you don't see the various blues. It's always cobalt blue. You know, you don't see the copper colors. You always see like that fiery orange and stuff. I'm not knocking it, but it's just one of those things that you don't see no more. So if you have an old paint job like this, and it's not bleached, it's oxidized really bad, you're worried about the patina, you know, when you clean it, use this. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's a fantastic product. It'll clean it, restore it. You know, it's just an amazing product. All right, guys, look us up at lukatdetail.com. Get your kit there. If you have any questions, you can call us at this number right here, 505-304-8652. Look how beautiful that came out. Dang, you don't see paint jobs like that anymore. Can you imagine? Dang, it's all bleached over here, but I mean, you could really, those old paint jobs are so beautiful. All right, guys, later.